If you've watched any of our previous videos on this channel, you probably know that we raise hogs, and the hog that these pork chops came from was one of two that we actually brought here in November of last year. And we finally were able to get those two up to market size and have them processed. We sold most of the meat locally, but we did keep a portion of these two for ourselves. And that's why that we are excited to try these pork chops. We've actually ate some of the other meat that came from those hogs, but this is the first bone-in pork chops that we've tried. And I can already tell you they smell delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and take a bite of them and see how they taste. I made a little simple glaze to go on these, and I actually just did it on 3 of them. The other 2 I left plain just in case Shauna didn't want any. And I'll put the ingredients to go to that little honey garlic glaze in the description below the video if you're interested in it. So I'm going to take a bite of one of these and give it a shot. Folks, that was some of the best pork I've ever had in my life. And I think one reason is because obviously it was delicious. It had great flavor to it. It was juicy and tender. Another reason is I know exactly what went into that hog. Only things that we gave them were good quality feed, good clean water, and plenty of love. We took good care of them. Gave them a good life during their time here on our little farm. And now that we've took care of them, they're going to take care of us for a little while. I really appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you can catch some more of my content. Go look at my channel and watch some more videos if you haven't already done so. I really appreciate you guys. So thankful for every single one of you that watches. And I hope that I'll see you again. God bless you.